Have you ever wondered how unity can be a source of strength? How, when we stand together, we can overcome even the most challenging obstacles? Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense forest, there was a flock of pigeons. Amongst them was an old pigeon, known for his wisdom. Respected and adored by all, he was the guiding light of the flock. Each day the flock would soar through the jungle, scouring for sustenance. And just as the sun would dip below the horizon, they would return to their nest, safe and sound. One fateful day, they spotted a feast of rice grains scattered on the ground. Excitement filled the air as they prepared to swoop down. But the wise pigeon, skeptical of this unexpected banquet, warned his friends, suspecting a trap. Despite his warnings, the allure of the rice grains was too strong. The flock flew down and started feasting on the grains. But, in an unfortunate turn of events, they found themselves trapped in a net, unable to move. The wise pigeon, who had stayed behind, looked on with worry. A gleeful bird catcher, the architect of this trap, rushed towards his catch, dreaming of the riches he would earn from selling the pigeons. In the midst of this chaos, the trapped pigeons pleaded to the wise pigeon for help. Heeding their desperate cries, the wise pigeon came up with a plan. "Fly together, carry the net with you," he urged them. And so, they did. United in their effort, the pigeons lifted the net and took flight. The birdcatcher watched in disbelief as his catch disappeared into the sky. The wise pigeon then led the flock to his friend, a mouse. Despite lacking the gift of flight, the mouse had sharp teeth, perfect for cutting through the net. And so, he did, freeing the pigeons from their entrapment. The pigeons, relieved and grateful, thanked the mouse and their wise friend. The wise pigeon smiled and said, "Unity has great strength. As long as you stand united, no harm can come upon you. Remember, it was unity that saved you today." And so, the story of the wise pigeon and his flock serves as a reminder of the power of unity. When we stand together, there is no challenge too great, no obstacle too high. Reflect on this tale and its message. Remember, unity is strength.